For years, people have said that Toyota owners save money. But here's the real question. How much money are we actually talking about? Is it a few $100s? A few thousand? Or could it really be over $10,000 in just 10 years? In this video, we're breaking down the real numbers. Not opinions, not brand loyalty, not internet myths, just real ownership costs. We'll compare maintenance, repairs, depreciation, fuel economy, and long-term reliability. And by the end of this video, you'll clearly see whether Toyota ownership truly saves money, or if it's just marketing hype. Let's break it down. First, let's look at maintenance costs over 10 years.
When people buy a car, they usually compare horsepower, features, and monthly payments. But almost nobody calculates what ownership actually costs over 10 years, and that's where the real difference appears. Over a 10-year period, some Toyota owners may save $10,000 or more compared to less reliable alternatives. Not because the car is magical, but because the cost structure is different. Let's start with purchase price. Many competitors look attractive up front, sometimes similar price, sometimes slightly higher. But initial price is only the beginning. Ownership cost is where separation begins. Routine maintenance is predictable. Oil changes, brake pads, filters, fluids. Over 10 years in the United States, a reliable vehicle may cost around $5,000 to $7,000 in routine maintenance. The key word is predictable. Predictability reduces financial stress. Now, let's talk about what really hurts. Unexpected major repairs. Transmission replacement can cost $3,000 to $5,000. Engine replacement can go even higher. One single major failure can erase years of savings. Lower failure probability equals lower financial shock, and that matters. Depreciation is the biggest hidden expense in car ownership. In the first 5 years, most vehicles lose 40 to 60% of their value. But resale value differs significantly between brands. Stronger resale value means you recover more capital when you sell or trade in, and that difference compounds over time. Fuel cost is another long-term variable. Even a small difference of 3 to 5 miles per gallon over 10 years can translate into thousands of dollars, especially with fluctuating fuel prices. Efficiency may look small on paper, but over time, it adds up.
Insurance companies price risk. Vehicles with lower repair frequency often signal lower long-term claim probability. Fewer claims can help protect your premium history. It's subtle, but over a decade, even small premium differences matter. Now let's shift perspective. Most American buyers change vehicles between year 4 and 6. So what happens after 5 years? If your car retains stronger resale value, your effective ownership cost drops. You lose less capital, and you gain stronger negotiation leverage. That's financial flexibility. Let's imagine two vehicles. Vehicle A has higher repair risk and weaker resale value. Vehicle B has stronger long-term reliability and resale retention. Over 10 years, Vehicle A may accumulate unexpected repairs, higher depreciation, and slightly higher fuel cost. The total difference? It can exceed $10,000, not from one factor, but from accumulated small differences. Here's what most people underestimate. Small cost advantages compound. $500 here, $800 there. Lower downtime, fewer emergency repairs. Over 10 years, compounding works quietly, but powerfully. There's another dimension, financial volatility. Unpredictable repair events create cash flow stress. Even if total cost ends up similar, timing matters. A sudden $4,000 repair is very different from gradual, predictable maintenance. Stability has value. Year 7. A major transmission failure. Repair cost $4,000. Now compare that to a vehicle with lower statistical failure probability. Even avoiding one major event can shift total ownership cost significantly. Risk reduction is financial strategy. Now think beyond repair bills. What about downtime, rental car fees, missed work, inconvenience? Time is also a cost. Reliable vehicles reduce disruption, and disruption has economic impact. Many buyers overpay for performance they rarely use. Higher horsepower, bigger engines, sport upgrades. But daily driving in America is mostly commuting, traffic, highways, stoplights. When performance exceeds usage, you're paying for unused capacity. Reliability, however, gets used every single day. Car buying is emotional, but ownership cost is mathematical. Emotion happens once, expenses happen monthly. Over 10 years, structure beats excitement. So when we say Toyota owners may save $10,000 or more over 10 years, it's not one big advantage. It's layered efficiency, maintenance consistency, resale strength, lower repair probability, fuel savings, reduced volatility. Together, they create separation. Let's look at a simplified, real-world example. John buys a mid-size sedan and keeps it for 10 years. Total mileage, 150,000 miles. Routine maintenance stays predictable. No major transmission failure. Resale value remains strong after year 8. Now compare that to a similar vehicle with one major repair at year 6. Even if both cars cost similar up front, the long-term cash flow difference can exceed $10,000. Not because of one dramatic event, but because of accumulated stability. Instead of asking which car feels more exciting today, consider asking which car reduces financial risk, which car protects resale value, which car minimizes unexpected repair probability. Over 10 years, those questions matter more than horsepower numbers. This isn't about brand loyalty. It's about cost structure. When small advantages repeat year after year, they compound. And compounding is where real savings live. The question isn't which car looks better today. The question is, which one protects your money over the next decade?